All right, y'all, so we have some exciting news for the people that are fans of budget or mid-range devices right now. It seems that OnePlus has finally opened their pre-sale or their pre-orders for the new N30 5G. So we're going to be talking about that right now. It's about $150 or $200 less than the Galaxy A54, and it actually has some stuff in this device that the Galaxy A54 and other devices in that price range don't even have. Alright, y'all, so this article comes by way of phonearena.com. If you guys want to read this on your own time, I'll leave the link in the description down below. But of course, the headline says the mid-range OnePlus Nord N30 5G goes official and up for US pre-orders at an exquisite price. Even though we obviously don't expect any smartphone announcements to come out of the 2023 WWDC, it's rarely wise to launch a product on the day of such a big Apple event. OnePlus evidently didn't get that memo, rather discreetly opening US pre-orders for the Nord N30 5G mid-ranger earlier today. This is a budget-friendly handset that hasn't actually been formally unveiled or commercially released internationally either, fetching a reasonable $299 stateside in an unlocked 128GB storage variant with 8GB of memory also on deck and a single chromatic gray color option. So just those specs straight away for $299 price tag look insane. Let's take a look at the rest of them. So as you guys can see, if you guys do want to end up pre-ordering this device, I'll leave it in the description down below. I am going to absolutely review this device. I'm going to get my hands on it somehow. And we're going to see how this device works and everything. We're going to put it up against some other devices as well. But as you guys can see, this is going to be fully GSM unlocked. So if you guys are at T-Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, really any GSM carrier, this is going to completely work for those carriers. But this is an unlocked device, as I said. 128GB of internal storage is great to see. 8GB of RAM, the Snapdragon 695 processor, which I know some of you enjoy. It's a decent processor at this price tag, I believe. A 6.72-inch LCD screen with a 120 Hertz refresh rate. We also have a 5000 milliamp battery with 50-watt charging support. We also have a triple camera setup, 108 plus 2 megapixel. Free OnePlus Nord Buds 2 are included with this pre-order, so you guys are going to actually get wireless earbuds all in a $299 package. So if you guys would like to pre-order this, I'll leave a link in the description down below. This is not going to be an affiliate link. This is just for anybody that wants to purchase this device. This is looking like a hell of a deal though, especially with those buds. It says for a limited time, you can get the 6.72-inch Android 13 device alongside a nice pair of OnePlus Nord Buds 2 in your choice of white or gray hues at no extra cost. And if you hurry, the manufacturer will fulfill your orders as early as June 12th. At 3 Benjamins with a $59 worth gift included, this 5G enabled bad boy goes up against the likes of the Galaxy A23 5G and the recently released Moto G Power 5G for the title of best affordable phone available in the US right now. And obviously OnePlus has created a commercial for this device as well. I think this is going to be better than those devices. I don't think any of those devices are going to even touch this. Obviously, some people love Moto Actions and other things like One UI from Samsung devices, but I don't think they're going to have as much packed into the device around their price tag as the OnePlus Nord N30. I think this is just going to be probably the best value for money phone this year, to be quite honest. It says this being a OnePlus device, you probably won't be shocked to hear that a key advantage over its direct competition is the blazing fast 50-watt charging support. That is insane. That's faster than the otherwise state-of-the-art Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in combination with a large 5000 milliamp battery, it delivers hard-to-rival value for a sub $400 segment. Of course, fast is a word that characterizes the OnePlus Nord N30 5G from a number of different standpoints, including screen refresh rate technology and processing power. It says this silky smooth 120 Hz LCD affair with a reasonably zippy Snapdragon 695 under the hood and a 108 primary rear-facing camera promises to keep shutterbugs very happy as well. So I don't know, this is just looking like a very promising phone for $299. I'm excited to review this for you guys. I'm excited to check it out. What do you guys think in the comment section down below? For $299, this is looking insane. If you guys have any comments or opinions, of course, leave them in the comment section down below. But I'm super excited for this device, but we'll see what happens. But this has been some fun from TechRight. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Peace out, Tech Gang.